I just wanted to show that we were able to go upstream of the, as you can see, we got the jetter to go up in this T here. We didn't pull back very much calcite here at this time, but I just wanted to show that we were able to get upstream. Now this line I believe goes over towards the, I'd say the west wall. The line, if you keep going straight, goes all the way, takes a right turn, and goes to the east wall. There's a tie-in that goes towards the north wall. We're at this time on the south wall. I believe this line also probably ties in another line for the south wall as well. But to get better access, we would have to put cleanouts in to have more accessibility. But at this time, the line seems to be in pretty decent shape. We're going to keep doing what we can to get this line cleaned up as much as possible here. So we're going to go ahead and pause our video and keep doing our jetting. Okay, at this time we've completed our jetting and done as much as we could to get these lines cleared out. Before we started our jetting, we did a previous televised to show how much calcite was in there. As you can see, I am running a centering guide right now. We did get quite a bit of the calcite out of here, the small stuff. We were also able to get up in there and flush that out. We got out about 20 feet. As you see, there's some small pieces of calcite in here. Nothing to worry about. It'll flush itself out. We did notice, as you see, the first T that goes towards the west, I believe the east wall there. As we keep going, it does make a turn and goes towards the east wall to the right here. There's a couple tie-ins. This line seems to hold quite a bit of water throughout here. There's a tie-in coming up, as you can see the white off in the distance down there. There's a tie-in, first one's on the right here. Tie-in roughly about right here. We are, like I said, we are running a centering guide. There's a tie-in on the right, and there's also a tie-in on the left that's down here. One of these tie-ins, there are 3 total. There's one that you can't see that is also on the left here. There's one right here to the left, and then there's one as I pull back that you may see that has looks like there's a floor drain over there near that. We did pour some water down there, but weren't sure if it came into here. This one I believe goes towards the front wall. But like I said, as you can see, they seem to be open and flowing. Like I said, it does hold a little bit of water here as normal. And you see this is the line that goes to the bleeder here. This corrugated seems to be open and flowing. We didn't want to be too harsh with this line here due to I don't know how they connected it. So at this time, this will complete our jetting. We'll go ahead and pull back and do a final televise of this line, and then for our final, we will suck out the pit, and we'll be done at this line. Now, if this line needs to be cleaned anymore, especially the branches that come off of this line, it would have to have cleanouts put in due to I can't make the turns to get into those T's. So if we ever needed to clean those lines, we would have to definitely come out here and camera and locate each one of these cleanouts or each one of these T's and put cleanouts in the lines so that we could make it a stream of that. But I don't see any reason needed for this. Customer hasn't had any issues recently. Just was a precaution thing. I recommended some camera work. But as you can see, the line is open, it's flowing, it's in good shape, no breaks or anything. So we're going to go ahead and pull back, and like I said, this is our final televise of this line.